Can you define Black excellence?
Black excellence is being true to yourself, being who you are, wherever you are, in any room that you walk into, and not taking the crumbs, taking the entire cake. I love this, though. I love this that you're posted up here 2 days in a row.
So yeah, we got 6 cameras, and then we're gonna have a portable camera. We got 2 portable cameras as well. So
incredible.
So we're rolling around the interview.
And you say you're gonna have Stacy here later?
At 11:30.
Do you have like a community on the school or something?
Yes, I do.
I think I recently just joined a community on there, and then I saw you on a couple of ads just saying how many communities you built. Yeah,
I have like 10. You hear that, Sam Ovens? It's working. Okay, I just see Skittles and M&Ms, so I'm gonna walk towards that. They know what they're doing. The downfall of so many of us.
My name is Mahmoud Mustafa.
Oh, hi, it's so nice.
Oh my gosh, this is so crazy.
Hey.
I literally was telling my cousin about you yesterday.
What?
Yes.
I just wanted to come and say I appreciate everything you've done for like the community and you're gonna give it back for tech. And I have a question for you.
I want to answer it.
What we're trying to do in our own sector is helping students not only be in the classroom, but also on cap tables.
So 2 things I would do. One is I would find a woman named Hadia. She runs hbcu.vc.
Okay.
She is helping create investors.
Okay.
So that would be a really interesting combination to have you all talking to each other. Yes. Oh, I've been saying your name. Oh, everybody. Oh, thank you. Listen, y'all. Have I not been saying Hadia? Have I not been saying Hadia all day long? This is Hadia.
Are you live or?
Yes. Oh, okay. Yes. So check out this line. This is Baritone Thurston, and then this is his line. Let me see if. So he's right here posted up. Let me see if I can get his attention. I'm trying to mess up his situation. I'm just gonna see if he can see me out the corner of his eye. Hey! I'm sorry.
What up? I'm Baratunde, and I'm at Arlan's house here at Afrotech 2025 H-Town.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm doing well. I don't want to hold up your line. I just want to
No,
say
but
hi real quick.
this is VIP special. Respect. I work for her. How's the future coming along?
Oh, it's great there.
Good.
It's fantastic there. You opened up the entire event. How was that?
I was in honor.
Yeah.
I felt like I was sandwiched between Jadena and Stacey Abrams, which is a comfy, cozy, super black, futuristic, liberatory space.
Love it.
I was grateful to be able to occupy that little moment.
Incredible.
Yeah.
My name is Joyson. I'm a founder based in Baltimore. I started a company called Jay's Watermelonade after realizing communities like mine grapple with preventable conditions like diabetes, heart disease, which are all linked to sugary drinks. So I took that and came up with a watermelon-based alternative that promotes a heart-healthy option to our community.
Do you have any of your products
I don't.
or shirt? You're not wearing. You got to wear a shirt. Do you have one tomorrow? You can wear them. If I'm you, I'm finding no business card. You have a physical product. Am I understanding that correctly?
Yes.
So you don't have to bring the physical product. But I'm wearing the shirt. I'm wearing a Houston. Gonna get one printed that just says the name. Tomorrow, Friday, I'm wearing it. And it has a website to it or something, a QR code on the back. I walked around SaaStr for 8 hours with a QR code on my back. Recently, like in the last 3 years. You do what you got to do. You let people know because they're going to know that even if they don't get to talk to you. Yeah.
My name is Dr. Foster Reddick. I'm an OBGYN, and I'm interested in opening up a postpartum resort. I know the information side of it as an OBGYN, but I've never opened a business on my own. So learning how to get the people in place or getting the investments in order to get the people in place that I need in order to execute. I know I'm a person that is good at like the long-term vision, but the actual doers are the people that I need in place.
Why do you want to have a physical location?
I want to first start with online, but I think a physical location is important in order to have the in-person experience. Because loneliness, I think, is a lot that's contributing to postpartum anxiety and depression.
I'll tell you this. So this is what I normally tell people is that if they're looking to have like a SaaS product, and I'm gonna say it for my audience, software as a service, a tech app, right? I normally say, what have you done in person that is like the organic version of that you can say, I'm trying to replicate this online. And when someone wants a physical location, I normally say the opposite. I say, what are the numbers online that you have made happen that's like an info space where you're teaching or you're consulting or any of that, where you have said there's so much demand in this local place that I've done all this online, now it's time to bring in the physical. So that's the first thing I would say to you, is to really be in tune to why you want physical now. And could it be instead a pop-up instead? Could it be, because imagine you get the physical, and I'm not trying to talk you out of it, I'm just trying to make you see different parts of it. Imagine you get the physical location. You're stuck with the physical location for better for worse, at least for a few years. What if you could take the same energy and less money and do pop-ups in the states where you are able to, and when the states you're not able to, it's just information. And think about how many more people you would touch. Think about how interesting that would be to document. Think about how many people would say, oh, I want what she has to say, I'm going to come to her. And the information and data that you would be able to procure during that situation. To me, doing a year of that is going to tell you a lot.
Can I ask you a question? In terms of like building the curriculum, what I need are people who are in, like, how can I utilize tech in order to generate the curriculum faster, more efficient, and make it like scalable?
Join School, SKOOL. School is a community platform that also has a classroom in it. So you can have courses and community combined. So then you start a school, SKOOL.com. Then you film just in a nice background, doesn't have to be a studio or anything, just you film the information. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Perplexity and Claude, any of those, but just ChatGPT on its own to help you come up with the curriculum, the order of it, to pour into it. You tell it what you, if you've ever written anything, if you've ever spoken anywhere and you have the video footage, you can take the transcript of that, put that into ChatGPT and say, based on my teachings and the people that I want to serve, which are ... people, what curriculum should I have? And it'll come up with a long thing and you decide which of that you want to actually do. So then you do it. Don't do a bunch of written words. Nobody wants to sit through that. They want to see you talk about it. So you may have 10-minute videos and things like that. And then you can have a guest speaker. So you bring in a guest speaker, and the guest speaker is going to cover this topic, and they're going to cover this, right? And then the school helps you just have the community, the classroom. You can even have like a live sessions on the calendar. You took the course, now you can ask me questions live. It's all there. It's super, super inexpensive. And I just want to do that, but it's true. It's the fastest growing platform for community in the world right now. And you can go and do a search on their discovery and see keywords of what other people are doing.
I own a hospice. I've owned a hospice now for 10 years. One of the biggest Black-owned 100% hospices in Georgia. But we started building our own EMR system. So I wanted to kind of see if I can talk to you about that.
What does the AMR mean?
EMR,
EMR.
Medical Record System.
Okay.
So the way it works now is if you go to the doctor or to the hospital, wherever you go, they have this backlog of notes. So you can put your notes into this system. These systems don't talk. So let's say you're in Atlanta, you go to LA, and something happens to you today in Atlanta, but you go to LA next week, you have another stroke. They don't really have a way to figure it out fast.
Knock wood, knock wood.
So what we're thinking about doing, what we've already started building, is something I want to show you.
Okay. Is it already built out, or you say you just started building it?
We just started building it.
How many engineers are working on that?
4.
4 engineers. Any of them PhDs?
No.
Okay. Sometimes that's what an investor will ask, if any of the engineers are PhDs, because when believe it or not, when you sell a company, the more PhDs you have on your team, the higher you can command for the price of it. So that's what a lot of investors are thinking early on. Now, obviously, you can hire more, and some will leave and all of that. But that's one of the first things that some investors who are looking at like tech are thinking about.
Beautiful.
Hi.
I spoke at Afrotech in 2017.
Yeah.
You and I were in line to get our speaker's badge.
Are you serious?
And I had just got off a plane and I was going on stage and you were like, oh, you could go in front of me. And I didn't even know, I didn't even register it was you. And then I grabbed my speaker badge and ran off, and then we never talked again.
That's amazing. Was that when Damon John spoke?
Yes.
I remember that year, 2017.
I was at IDEO at the time, but
where are you now?
I just left Google and started my own company. So
And you spoke here today. I mean, spoke
no,
here.
I didn't speak here today. I'm just
here. Yeah, I'm
just
chilling.
here
I'm chilling too. It's so
for
good
the
to see
first time, not even working.
I was a lead software engineer, but I got let go back in March.
Okay.
And I've been out since then. A Black woman in tech can be really traumatizing. And I really had to sit down and understand, like, some of the, flat out trauma.
Yeah.
You know, you're a lead, you lead people, but they won't let you.
Yeah.
You have suggestions, but it's really tough for them to move through.
Yes.
And then sometimes my skills were questioned. And so I'm talking about my last role.
I understand. Yeah.
And when I was let go, I was so hurt, but at the same time, I had to like really unpack some of the and trauma's a very strong word, but I really and I said, you know, oh no, that's life, that's work. But then when I unpacked it, I understood what it was.
It's trauma.
Yeah, and
It's trauma.
But I'm grateful for Afrotech. I came a couple years ago. My company's halfway sponsored me. But
We don't like that at former company, whoever they are.
they didn't see the value.
Yeah.
They wanted you to come back with a hard skill that you can teach your team.
Yeah.
But I needed just to come for me.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I can see other black women and black men, technologists like me.
If anybody has the purse strings of a major corporation, listen to what she's saying. If you want to keep A players, your retention depends on how they feel coming to work as much as what they can do for you coming to work. So what you're saying is there's sometimes I want to go to a conference because I just want to be around people that I relate to, and I want to feel refreshed and reinvigorated to do the work.